Hello everyone, I'm Blake, and I'm one of the order desk staff here at Gregg's. Today, we're going to be filming a quick video on plastic film and sheeting. Polyethylene film can be used for many applications in construction, agriculture, or just for keeping things clean. But what makes this sheeting so versatile and useful is in its design. There are many different types of polyethylene, too many to get into today. But the two most common are low-density polyethylene and high-density polyethylene. Wow, those are quite the mouthful. Low-density polyethylene, or LDPE, is super flexible and has good flow properties once melted down, which makes it great for plastic film applications like shopping bags. Low-density poly is easily stretched but not very strong, which becomes obvious when you're trying to carry too many overfilled grocery bags home from the store. Polyethylene film, or sheeting, is made from high-density polyethylene, or HDPE. It's created by stringing together ethylene molecules. Get it? Poly means many, and you add that to ethylene and you get, that's right, polyethylene. To make things easier to understand, we will be referring to HDPE as H-poly. H-poly is one of the most versatile plastics used in everything from hard hats to the plastic sheeting you see all around you. It's also widely recycled, both in its more rigid form, containers, and more flexible form, reusable plastic bags. This material really took off in the US in the 1950s and has skyrocketed in popularity ever since, making it today's most widely used type of plastic. But why is it so popular? Let me explain. Polyethylene is lightweight, yet super strong. That's why an H-poly milk jug that weighs 30 grams can carry 4 liters of milk. That's about 9 pounds of liquid, or 140 times its weight. It's also why most modern car manufacturers use H-poly fuel tanks. The lighter weight of the parts help to increase fuel efficiency, while the strength of the material makes sure the tank will last. It's also impact resistant. There's a reason it's used for hard hats after all. It's long-lasting and weather-resistant, which is why so many people use polyethylene sheeting to provide weather protection on windows and doors, or as a barrier for greenhouses. It's also resistant to mold, mildew, rotting, and keeps insects out, which means when that chilly Canadian frost comes to destroy your beautiful tomatoes, you're better prepared to protect those little guys. From gas tanks to hard hats, we now know how prevalent H-poly is in our day-to-day lives. But what about this H-poly film? Why are there so many different weights, sizes, and thicknesses? And what are they each used for? First, let's take a look at the thickness. Polyethylene film thickness is measured in mils. As these numbers go up, so does the strength of your film. For instance, a 1 mil film is not nearly as strong as a 3 mil film. Here at Gregg's, we carry between a 1 mil and a 3 mil thickness in varying roll sizes. A 1 to 2 mil film can be used for lighter duty applications, such as covering equipment. A 3 mil film is considered self-adhesive, which means it will slightly stick to the surface you use it on. For instance, have you ever been painting and had your drop sheet move on you? Well, not a concern with a 3 mil polyethylene sheet. This 3 mil polyethylene sheeting is great for covering counters, carpeting, floors, hardwood, tile, bathtubs, really anything that you might be getting paint on. Now, in terms of actual roll sizes, we have rolls available from 102 inch wide by 59 feet, all the way up to 240 inch wide by 100 feet. In layman's terms, this will cover anywhere from 500 to 2,000 square feet. If you want to see the full range available, be sure to check out our catalog. Now, what if you want to protect against something that's not grime, dust, or paint, but water vapor? That's where the 6mm poly vapor barrier comes in. Water vapor. What's so scary about that? Well, you know that dampness that you feel after it's rained, or the wet feeling you get on a particularly humid day? That moisture can wreak havoc on the foundation of your home if left untreated, leading to condensation in the walls and possible wood rot. A good vapor barrier will not only keep unwanted water vapor out, but also allow any vapor already inside to move out as well. The poly vapor barrier should be installed on the warm side of an exterior wall. Since water vapor moves from the warmth to the cold, this will keep that pesky water vapor from getting through the air outside and into your walls of your home. This poly vapor barrier contains stabilizers that are designed to keep moisture out during the lifetime of your house, so it's built to last. Now, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call us, or you can visit our all-Canadian website at greggdistributors.ca. Again, I'm Blake, and thank you for watching another episode of Gear Up with Greggs.